In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for event marketing fast and easy. Whether you're planning a music festival, a tech conference, or even a marathon, understanding what people are searching for can be a game changer for your marketing strategy. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Google Trends. You can simply type Google Trends into your search bar, and it should be the first link that pops up. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, you'll see a wealth of information at your disposal, but our focus today is on using this tool to boost your event marketing efforts. The next thing you want to do is click on the Explore button. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can start your search. Now think about the keywords related to your event. You could type in something like music festival, tech conference, marathon, or webinar. Once you've entered your keywords, press Enter, and you'll see a trend graph pop up. This graph will show you the interest over time for these keywords, but we can fine-tune it even more. At the top of the page, you'll notice options to filter by location and time. Adjust the location filter to either target your specific market or choose a worldwide view to get a broader perspective. Then, decide on a time range that suits your needs. For current trends, select the past 12 months. If you're curious about long-term interest, the past 5 years might be more insightful. Now let's get strategic. Look at the graph to identify any seasonal interest peaks. These are the spikes in the graph that indicate when people start searching more frequently for these topics. Planning your marketing efforts a few weeks ahead of these peaks can help you capture the maximum interest. Scrolling down, you'll see sections labeled Related Topics and Related Queries. These are incredibly useful, as they show you what other event-related terms people are searching for. Consider using these as content keywords, hashtags, or even inspiration for ad targeting ideas. To get an even more comprehensive view, you can compare multiple event types. By clicking the plus compare button, you can analyze terms like concert, expo, or conference against each other. This comparison will reveal which event type is currently catching more public attention. Finally, take some time to scroll through the entire page and analyze the data presented. The insights you'll gain here can guide your marketing strategy, helping you decide when and what to promote to reach your audience effectively. And there you have it. Google Trends is a powerful tool once you know how to use it strategically. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing this data for your event marketing success. Thanks for tuning in, and happy marketing.